What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We are living in an age where the line between science fiction and reality is blurring faster than ever. Today, we're counting down 10 incredible innovations that aren't just concepts, they are real, functioning technologies that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Get ready to have your mind blown. Let's get started. Stringbike. Kicking off our list is the Stringbike, a revolutionary bicycle from Hungary that has completely abandoned the classic chain drive. Instead, it employs a sophisticated symmetrical pulley system that uses high-strength wires, similar to those found in high-performance engineering. This isn't just for looks, this system eliminates the dead spot in your pedaling cycle, providing a more linear and efficient transfer of power. It also allows for an incredibly clean and minimalist design, reduces maintenance, and offers a uniquely smooth and silent ride. It's a bold re-engineering of a centuries-old design, proving there's still room for radical innovation in even the most familiar objects. Lexus Hoverboard. Remember the hoverboard from Back to the Future Part 2? Lexus took that dream and made it a stunning reality with their slide hoverboard. This isn't just a clever visual effect, it's a genuine feat of engineering based on magnetic levitation. The board contains superconductors that, when cooled by liquid nitrogen, create a perfect diamagnetic effect. It only works over a specially constructed track embedded with magnets, which is its main limitation. But as a proof of concept, it's a masterpiece. It captured the world's imagination and demonstrated that the science behind frictionless travel is very much within our grasp, even if we're not quite ready to hover over water yet. Fluid reality. Prepare to see displays in a whole new way, literally. Fluid reality is a breathtakingly original interface technology that discards pixels and screens altogether. It uses precisely controlled magnetic fields to manipulate individual droplets of colored ferrofluid, a magnetic liquid, suspended in a transparent medium. The result is a dynamic, three-dimensional display that can form shapes, logos, and animations out of liquid itself. It's a tactile, organic, and mesmerizing form of visual expression that sits at the intersection of digital art and advanced engineering. Imagine a future where your smartwatch face is a swirling pool of liquid metal or public art installations are made of dancing magnetic ink. MT02 Electric Handbike. The MT02 Electric Handbike challenges the very definition of cycling. This innovative personal vehicle is powered not by your legs, but by your arms, using a rowing-like motion to propel yourself forward. It features an integrated electric motor that amplifies your effort, making it accessible and less strenuous. This design offers a fantastic full-body workout and is a game-changer for mobility, particularly for individuals who have limited use of their legs. It represents a shift towards more inclusive and diverse forms of personal transportation, offering freedom and exercise in one unique, arm-powered package. Festo BionicBee. German engineering company Festo has long been a pioneer in bionics, and their BionicBee is one of their most impressive creations to date. This autonomous micro-robot is a marvel of precision, weighing in at just over an ounce yet capable of incredibly stable flight. Using complex onboard electronics and ultra-lightweight materials, it mimics the delicate and efficient flight patterns of a real bee. The ultimate goal isn't just a single robot, but an entire swarm of these bionic bees that can communicate and coordinate with each other, opening up potential applications in areas like artificial pollination, search and rescue, and distributed sensor networks. Space Perspective Capsule. For those who dream of seeing the Earth from space but are intimidated by the violent thrust of a rocket, Space Perspective offers a profoundly serene alternative. Their spaceship Neptune is a luxurious, pressurized capsule that gently ascends to the edge of space beneath a massive, high-performance balloon. During the 6-hour journey, you'll spend 2 hours at over 100,000 feet, gazing at the curvature of our planet against the blackness of space through the largest windows ever flown to space. With a bar, a bathroom, and comfortable seats, it's less of a launch and more of a leisurely, life-changing cruise to the stars, making space tourism accessible to a much wider audience. Monocab Owl. Addressing the challenge of rural transportation, the German-designed Monocab OWL is a clever and sustainable solution. It's an autonomous, electric, single-track vehicle that runs on existing railway lines. Its genius lies in its ability to solve a key railway problem: passing. When two monocabs approach each other, they can communicate and one will shift onto a parallel track to allow the other to pass before returning to the main line. This system could provide on-demand, 24/7 transport for rural communities without the need to build expensive new roads or rail lines, effectively creating a dynamic and efficient shared taxi service on rails. eSight. This is more than just technology, it's a tool for transformation. eSight is a groundbreaking wearable device designed to provide functional vision to individuals living with legal blindness conditions like macular degeneration. It looks like a sleek pair of glasses but houses a high-speed, high-definition camera that captures the world in real time. That video feed is then processed and displayed on two bright, high-resolution OLED screens in front of the wearer's eyes. The result is the ability for many users to see the faces of their loved ones, read text, and navigate their environment with newfound confidence and independence. Verge TS Pro. The Verge TS Pro is an electric motorcycle that looks like it rolled out of a cyberpunk fantasy, and its performance is just as radical. The most striking feature is its hubless rear wheel, which is actually the motor itself. Verge calls this a star motor, and by placing the motor in the rim, they create an immense amount of direct torque, catapulting the bike from 0 to 60 miles per hour in mere seconds. This design also creates a lower center of gravity and a distinctive, open aesthetic where you can see straight through the bike center. It's a brutal and beautiful rethinking of motorcycle powertrain design. MT02 ID2. And finally, we have Yamaha's MT02 ID2, a concept motorcycle that explores a future where your bike is an active partner, not just a machine. This isn't just about riding, it's about interaction. Powered by advanced artificial intelligence and self-balancing systems, the MT02 ID2 can perform astonishing feats. It can balance itself completely still without a kickstand, recognize its owner's face through a camera system, and even slowly follow them around like a loyal pet. It can also perform expressive movements, like raising itself onto its rear wheel to greet its rider. The MT02 ID2 is a profound glimpse into a future of emotional, personalized, and deeply interactive mobility. And that's our list. From bikes with no chains to motorcycles that know your face, the future is honestly looking wild. Now I have to ask you, which one of these inventions would you most want to try yourself? Let me know in the comments below, I read every single one. If you enjoyed this trip into the future, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe with notifications on, so you don't miss our next adventure. For now, that's all we have. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.